Hello tech lover, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Mechanic. Today I'll show how to change casing. This is the Nokia old phone and now I will change this casing. So first we are remove 4 screws safely. Viewers, full video are watching till end, and now new viewers to subscribe my Tech Mechanic YouTube channel. These phones are old, but casing when change look new. So look, yeah, I remove it and now this casing is new. Just easily its fittings is working perfectly. Checked. Yeah, this phone power on, and now 4 screw again put. Viewers, this work is very easy. You can try to home safely. You need a new casing and a T6 screwdriver. Okay, work finish. Now this is old and this is the new casing and phone. Just awesome, amazing, look like a new phone but a little gap. So now it fix. The casing are not fully fittings. So now I will fixing it. We need air, hot air gun. This temperature are 300 degree and air is 5 something. Air minimum 30 seconds only, and finally when it something loose, now pressing to push and cool air. When it are thick and cold, then after fittings. Now look, their finishing and fittings are 100% accurately. So guys, thanks for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe Technical YouTube channel. Thank you, tata, bye bye.